I have to say, if love was a highlighter, it would be this. Assalamualaikum and hello everyone. How is everyone doing? If you're new to my channel, my name is Ayesha and my channel is all about makeup. So, how was your weekend? Over the weekend, I asked you guys again, which colors should I be playing with? So there was a tie between black and gold and green and orange. But when you look at the votes are majorly for orange and green. But there was a comment as well for black and gold. But I'll consider the votes. I'll do the green and the orange today. Green is one of my favorite colors. So is orange. And since it's the season of autumn, let's do it. So let's start the video. So here's the thing. The three palettes that I'm using today are very different from each other. But the colors are awesome and they are really beautiful. The first palette is the Dream palette. It is by Sigma and it was collaborated with the influencer named Beauty Bird. And although I have not used it before, this plastic is still in there. The colors are beautiful. And I really want to try this palette out. And there is a green, this color, if you can see, I really want to try this. This is one of my absolute favorite palettes. It is by Absolute New York. And again, the color story of this palette is beautiful as well. I want to pair the green with this color right here. Plus, there is a metallic shade here as well. It's beautiful. The third palette, I found this on Temu. Can you believe it? And it has 4 different stories. 1, 2, 3, and 4. It's like this. And although I don't want to work with the greens on this palette, the orangey part, this part I want to use. Can you see how beautiful the oranges are? Plus, I want to really try out this glitter. I already tried one of the glitters from the green palette and it was beautiful. And I want to try this one out today. The green that I'm using today is this. The orange that I'm playing with today is this. Metallic that I'm playing with today is orange. This one. I'm going to top it off with the glitter from this palette. These are the colors I'm playing with today. Can you see how amazing this glitter looks? Okay, now here's the question. Do I use brushes for this look or do I do just a regular thing that I do? Okay, I know what I have. I am just going to play with my instincts today. Whatever feels right, I am going to do it. Well, this has a brush as well. What if I use this brush instead of the brush I used to use? Okay, let's use this brush for today. Cleaning it up in case there is any shadow. Yep, it's clean now. So I'll be using the brushes from both the palettes. Easier, much more convenient. This is the one thing I love about palettes that come with a brush and a mirror. They're so much easier to work with. Let's start. Here's the thing, I am cleaning the brush and I am going to blend it more with the clean brush. Just to diffuse the color because I have overdone it. This looks better. Let me do this side and I'll be right back. Okay, I'm done with both the sides. Now here's the thing. I feel it looks a bit more brown than orange. Hear me out. What if I use one of the oranges from this palette? This one for sure. I'm taking this orange right here. I'm adding it below the actual color. Here. With so much orange going on, do I add concealer to my eyelids to just clean it off and then add green? Will that look good? Let's try it. Concealer. Concealer brush. I want to set the concealer, so I'm using the puff again. Just applying a bit. I know mostly people don't do it, but I want to do it. This palette comes with a brush as well. It has a fluffy side and a flat side. I'm using the flat side of this brush and I am taking this shade right here. The palettes with mirrors in them are the awesomest palettes in the world. Just packing it right here, and then I'm going to use the fluffy side and blend it out. Now I'm taking the metallic from this and the flat brush, and I'm taking this shade right here, and I am packing it all over my lid area. Looks pretty decent, don't you think so? I'm taking this glitter right here. So I'm packing it in the middle. And that's it. I'm done with the eyeshadows. I'll be right back. Let me just wash my hand off the glitter. If I add black or brown, I think I'll add black and I'll just tightline my upper waterline. So I'm done tightlining. Looks nice. I'm done with the eyeshadows. Let me just apply the foundation and I'll be right back. Now, here's the thing. I don't want to do matte under my eye. I want it to be metallic. So I'm taking this shade right here. This has a very cute green, metallic green. And I want to use this metallic green for the inner corner. What color do I want to add to my waterline? Green? Green? Okay, green. Oh, my eyes are watering. Mascara now. The Dream Palette by Sigma has two very beautiful highlighter shades. So I am going to use this highlighter shade for the inner corner, the brow bone. For the blush on, I am using my Glam palette, and from the Glam palette, I am using this color right here. Now, I love this palette because a little product goes a very long way. I'm adding the same highlighter to my face as well. The lip combination I'm pairing this look up with the lip liner, the lipstick, gloss. So this is my final look. I'm done. So I think I did a pretty decent job. What do you think? Don't forget to vote on my posts that I post on Saturday. I would love to know. That gives me inspiration, that gives me ideas. So don't forget to vote for the next color on my channel. So this is all from me for now. And before you go, don't forget to subscribe to my channel. I'll see you in my next video. Till then, take care of yourself. Bye.